Mm.
Another pamangkin in the house, guys. Anak ng aking kapatid. Yeah. Balatong. String beans. Hindi pa buy eh. Hampang eh. Daddy June will cook dinding. We have squash, okra, and bitter melon. Right?
Dining.
Yeah. We have eggplant. Right? And then we have the string beans here. Yan. Daddy June will make a very good dinding. Okay? With Zebby. Zebby, are you gonna cook with Daddy June? Love na Mami Ging. Love ko ni mo, oh. Na. Say hi. Can you say hi to our viewers? Say hi, guys. My name is Zebby. I am 6 months old. I'm born here in Canada. My dada came here as a student. I have 1 sister and 2 brothers. Okay. And I'm the youngest. Tell them. Can you introduce yourself? Huh? Say, thank you, Mommy Big, for buying my clothes. My onesie. Okay. Ay. Nice. Mommy Ging's turn today. Mommy Ging is taking care of me because Daddy and Mommy went to the grocery. Right? Yeah. With Ate Chanel. That's why Ate Chanel is not home. Daddy June. Oh, you wanna hold okra? Hold okra. Hold okra. Nah. Okay, hold the other way. There. Good job. Do you like to eat that? Huh? Can you put it back here, please? Put it back. Daddy June will cook it. Oh, no. Matangis ba? Okay, that's it. I don't want you to poke your eyes, okay? Because look at this, it's pointy. You wanna hold the cup instead? Here. Okay, I know. Here. Cup. Medicine cup. Oh! Yan. Can you try to hold the tomato? Wow! It's a big tomato! You gonna eat it? Ayaw na. Umtas na siya. Okay, here. Oh, no. Okay, fine. Okay. Are you hungry now? Huh? Or sleepy? You gonna go nappy? Wow, look at his hair, guys. Oh. What are you looking? What do you want? The okra? Okay, here. You want to hold the okra? Here. Nice. Okay. There you go. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Bye. Say bye-bye first. Bye-bye to our viewers. Bye-bye. My life is taking the ground. Shine bright. My life, nobody's holding me down. Abba! What is it? What do you need there? What? Ang taba-taba, oh. So, ilagay namin to, guys, sa aming dinding. We will try. Right, Papsi?
Yeah.
Instead of the pasayan or shrimps, we will put this. Ay! Stop scratching your face. Shut up. Grabe to, guys, mag-scratch ng face niya. Dami niyang sugat. Kahit maano yung kuko niya, very sharp.
Utang tayo ng tanglad sa ating dingdingan. Ito. Para may bango. Ito na linagay natin ng kalabasa. Ito. Ginuuna natin kasi matagal-tagal itong lumambot.
Watch Daddy June's cooking. Yeah? Huh? Where's Daddy Jun? Yeah. Look at that. Oh, what? Sweet-sweet gini yung baba naman. Hmm? Si Daddy Jun. Where's Daddy Jun? Where's Daddy? Gusto niya si Daddy Jun na guys. Oh, Daddy Jun, look.
Ay! Gaano ka? Ha? Umupo ka dyan? Ha? Ha? Lagay na natin yung talong. Tapos yung sitaw. Tapos yung okra.
Wow, look, baby. Look. Daddy Jun's almost done cooking.
Ang ampalaya, mamaya na to. Kasi pag linagay mo to ng early, mapait. Mapait ito. So, pangit. Kailangan half cook lang ito. Mikos-mikos natin para maghalo-halo ng maganda. Yan. Okay.
Zebi. Ay, where's Zebi? Ay. Takbula tsura mo.
Sige. Mawawaw ka na karon.
Ano? Wow! Wow! Say hi, Daddy Jun! Wow! Muscle!
Masol. Yan.
Yum, yum!
Huwag natin idama yung ano niya, yung sabaw. First time ko to nagluto ng ganito, guys. Na may masol yung ano, yung dindingan. Pero actually masarap siguro to kasi ganun pa rin, seafoods pa rin ang nilagay dito eh.
Oh my gosh, Sebi, your back is hurting now.
So wala pa rin pagkakaiba to. Ilalagay na natin tong ating ampalaya. Ayan. 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 Sibi, mikos na may sibi ha. Mikos ng konti. Ayan. Okay guys, luto ng ating diningdingan. Oh.
Tutong si Seb.
Ayan. Yan. Okay. Huwag na natin takpan para hindi maano yung matawagin yung saka okra. Lagyan natin ang balato. Try natin. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Wow.
Nagutom na yung aming baby, guys. Tapos nagpapaantok na rin. Thank you, Lord, for the food.
Kain tayo. Kain-kain.
Wow. You want more rice?
No, hindi ko. Gawin.
Huh?
Okay na.
Yeah. Yeah. You wanna try the rice, Baba? Oh, bago lang sa kadidi eh.
Hindi
Nag-burp
na,
siya.
hindi na. Hindi kasi palagay siya, side.
Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang taba. Muscle. Yan. So good. Oh, I think Mama Ling is here now. There you go. Here. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Akalawan may basi maano siya.
Yeah.
May ano na?
Muscle.
Seafoods.
Yeah, okay lang naman. Hindi naman guro. Sabaw lang naman. Oh, madakop man. Bawa pangagaw. Good. It's so good.
Hindi lang. Hindi pangagaw. Wait.
Napangagaw na siya.
Oh.
Ito mas lada. Hindi ka man na matulon. Dayon. Ano reaction niya? Okay lang siya? Naka-antibiotic na to guys.
Nakita niyo guys yung pagluto natin hindi nga nakakaiba. Di ba? Merong pero masarap siya.
So hot. It's good. Hi!
Kalabasa lang naman ito na pakaon ko siya.
Do you like the squash?
Pero okay na yun, tama na. Para ito sa kahapit yun. Tama ka.
See, you just burp. Kasi kadedede mo lang. It's fine. What's that? Where's the lights, Ed?
Kasi, yan naman mapilit.
Hindi. Okay. Nakaano siya. Tulo niya. Good job lang. Aba, good job lang. Zeb. Here, Zebi. Oh my. Wala na.